My name's Aaron Schulenberg and I'm the Executive Director of the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. If you're watching this, you probably work in the collision repair industry. And we'd like to ask you to consider, if you are not already a member of SCRS, please consider joining. The work that SCRS does is done for the betterment of the collision repair industry. We have volunteers who work tirelessly around our table to bring resources, information, and advocacy to collision repairers across the U.S. We're the largest national trade association that has been solely dedicated to representing the collision repair professional for more than 30 years. From the work of the Database Enhancement Gateway with our partners at AASP, or our news site, Repairer Driven News, you're likely already taking advantage of things that we've put together to help your business succeed and prosper. SCRS takes our member dollars and puts them back to work to help benefit you, the collision repairer. It's important that everyone in the industry has access to information to help them make good, informed decisions for their business, and has access to the resources to help you be profitable, sustainable, and to succeed as a business and to adapt with the ever-changing technologies that you're up against. We'd like to ask you to go to our website and click the button that says Join Today for you to become a part of the largest national association solely dedicated to representing you, the collision repair professional.